Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to sync chat history in Messenger. So if you want to sync your chat history in your Messenger, here's a quick guide and a simple way to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open your Messenger. Once you open your Messenger, tap on the 3-line icon at the left top corner of the screen, then tap on the gear button at the right side top corner or right in front of your profile name. Tap on it. Then scroll down a little, then tap on privacy and safety. So under that, then you have to scroll down a little again, and under security we have some sort of option. Under security we have app lock, we have the encrypted chat, then we have saved website browsing. So we're just going to tap on end-to-end encrypted chat. Once you tap on this, then we'll tap on message history, message storage. Tap on it, then from there we tap on more option. Then from here you have to make sure that this particular button is toggle on your Messenger, which means that your chat history is being synced, and that is how to auto sync your chat history in Messenger. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.